YouTube. Huge snowstorm survival in Texas is continuing. We are now to do something that I thought of. Genius me. It's gonna get us hopefully lots of views. Journey into the alley. Come on. Nice picture.
Come on.
Oh, and the dogs are running amok. Oh, and there's a happy face and LOL in the name. What the crap. Anyway, we're now traveling into the snowstorm into the valley. As you can see, it's very, very deep. Here it is. It is now 12 degrees out. I am very cold. I'm sure that everything is very cold, except things in warm houses with hot cocoa and a fireplace. Wusses. Everything is white. Oh, look at that. Yeah.